All right, so after yesterday's post in my story saying that Steve and I always have Recover coffee, well not always, but a lot after our workout, I got a ton of messages asking, okay, how do I make this? So I said I'd go live, so here we go. Just finished my workout. Ella was having her overnight oats, so Recover coffee. So I brewed up to the 6-cup mark of decaf coffee. I do decaf because I had pre-workout already this morning, so I just do decaf coffee. If you're doing decaf, look for Swiss water decaffeinated. That means it's decaffeinated using a Swiss water, like a water process, rather than using chemicals to decaffeinate it. So I pour that all into our blender. Then, if I know I'm not gonna be If I'm gonna be eating breakfast right away, I will just do Recover. If I know I'm not gonna be eating breakfast for a while, I'm gonna add in ghee butter as well as MCT oil. So, oh, and I'm doubling this, so I'm making for Steve and I. So I'll do 2 scoops of Recover. And then I'm gonna do a teaspoon each for each of us. So 2 teaspoons of ghee, because again, I'm doubling it. And I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of MCT oil. Then, all you gotta do is blend it a little bit. So I'll go do that. Are you reading? Good job. Good job, Munchkin. Then it makes this like nice frothy, almost like a coffee hot chocolate. I'll pour it into our Yetis, and that 6-cup mark pretty much hits it right on. Boom. And that is it. I'll show you what it looks like. This is weird. And that's it. That's how I make our Recover coffee in the morning. Try it. Don't blame me if you get hooked, because it's delicious.